fix your swipe down settings from the new Android update. I already fixed mine. The update come out a couple days ago, I guess, last week. I forgot. But anyway, swipe down into your settings like this and then touch the little pencil. Go to panel settings. It'll be on to get separate. If it's the new way, it'll be on separate. I'll show you how it worked. So you have to swipe down here and over here, and it comes out separately. But if you want to change it back to the old way, touch the pencil, panel settings, and click together, and done. And now it's all together. Thanks.